In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Canva website. By the end, you'll have a clear, clickable booking link on your Canva site so visitors can schedule time with you without any back and forth. First, open Calendly and make sure you're in your account dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Scheduling. This is where your event types live, like 15-minute intros, discovery calls, or consultations. If you have a lot of events, use the search bar to quickly find the one you want people to book from your website. This helps you avoid grabbing the wrong link, especially if you manage multiple meetings or teams. Once you've located the right event, look for the option to copy its link and click Copy Link. That copies your unique booking URL to your clipboard, which is exactly what we'll add to your Canva website. Now switch over to Canva and open your website design. If you haven't created one yet, open the design you plan to publish as a website. On the left sidebar, click Text to bring up the text options. Choose Add a text box so you can place a clear call to action on your page. Type something straightforward and inviting, like book a time with me or schedule your free consultation. Keep it concise and action-oriented so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. With your text selected, open the additional options by clicking the three dots in the toolbar. Choose Link to bring up the link field. Paste the Calendly URL you copied a moment ago into that field. Double check for extra spaces at the beginning or end to avoid broken links. When you're happy, click Done to apply the link to your text. At this point, your text is clickable. Make it stand out so visitors don't miss it. You can increase the font size, use a bold weight, and pick a brand color with strong contrast against your background. If you want it to feel like a button, add a shape or highlight behind the text and group them. Place your link prominently near the top of the page and repeat it near the bottom for convenience. That's it. You copied your Calendly event link, added a clear call to action in Canva, and linked it so visitors can book instantly. After you publish your Canva website, open it in a new tab and click the link to confirm it loads your Calendly page correctly. With this in place, you'll capture bookings directly from your site and streamline your scheduling process. Thanks for watching and happy building.